Hello everyone, welcome to LICD Lab 3. Today's lab is about 3 op-amp instrumentation amplifier. So part number A is setting up a bridge circuit. So we have over here bridge circuit with power supply as 15 volts. RA, RB, RC and RD are the 4 resistances whose values are already given. So RA, RB, RC is given as 1 kilo ohm. RD value might be a resistive transducer whose resistance may change because of physical quantity variation, for example, temperature. So we can consider two cases over here. One case is 1.02 kilo ohm, second case is 1.05 kilo ohm. And you set up the circuit in LT-SPICE schematic, and analysis will be of a DC operating point, and you note down the values theoretically. What is the value of V1 and V2? I mean, sorry, it is VA and VB, so it's all okay. It can be V1 and V2 also. It's same basically. VA is actually V1, VB is actually V2. Which one and the same doesn't matter. And the simulated value similarly you measure of from LT-SPICE simulation, that is V1 and V2. So this is a simple circuit which we can complete it in LT-SPICE for part number A. Part number B is we will be utilizing this bridge circuit and interfacing this bridge circuit with differential amplifier. So differential amplifier, as we know, it consists of two inputs. Over here, we have written VA and VB. So these two inputs are coming from this bridge circuit basically, and the values of RA, RB, RC, RD is all given to us. And the op-amp which we select is OP07 from the component library in LT-SPICE. The analysis type is DC operating point, and we have to make the gain of the differential amplifier as 10. We know that the output expression for a differential amplifier is given by the formula V out is equal to R2 upon R1 into V2 minus V1 if R1 is equal to R3 and R4 is equal to R4. So we have to make somehow this resistance R2 upon R1 ratio as 10. Once we do that, we can simulate the circuit interfacing with this circuit and note down these values for two different values of RD. RD value can be 1.02 kilo ohm. Second case, it can be 1.05 kilo ohm. And you note down the value of V1, V2, V out, and simulated value also you note it down. I mean, calculate the theoretical values and note down the simulated values V1, V2, and V out. And this was about part number B. Part number C is interfacing the bridge circuit with three op-amp instrumentation amplifier. So now we will study the effect, by interfacing the bridge circuit with the three op-amp instrumentation amplifier. So here also op-amp you can select as OP07 from the component library in LT-SPICE. The analysis type will be DC operating point, and here we need to set the gain of the instrumentation amplifier as 15, for example. So V out will be 15 times V2 minus V1. We know that the output expression for the instrumentation amplifier is given by V out equal to R2 upon R1 into 1 plus twice R3 upon RG. Note down here the R3 and R3 resistors and labeling cannot be same. So you can make it as R3 of A, R3 of B, okay, and into V2 minus V1. So basically here I have written R3 of A is equal to R3 of B is equal to R3, and this term is called as differential gain. So V out can be written as AD times, that is differential gain times V2 minus V1. So we need to select the registers around the instrumentation amplifier such that the gain becomes 15. And here the R1 is equal to R3, R2 is equal to R4, and all the resistance which you select should be in kilo ohms. That thing you bear in mind. Neither the resistance should be in ohms or neither it should be in mega ohms. Okay, so here is my observation table. So here we will note down the values of RD. So RD with two values of RD, 1.02 kilo ohm and 1.05 kilo ohm. You note down the values of simulated values of V1, V2, VO1. Now VO1 is over here, VO2 is over here. So V1, V2, VO1, VO2, and V out. Similarly, calculate them in theory. That is V1, V2, VO1, VO2, and V out. Here we haven't given the expression of VO1 and VO2. You can easily refer the expression of VO1 and VO2 in the instrumentation amplifier derivation video. So this is all about the lab number T for LICD. So it has three parts. Part A will be setting up the bridge circuit. Part B will be interfacing the bridge circuit with differential amplifier, and part C will be integrating the interfacing the bridge circuit with instrumentation amplifier. And please comment on every result while you write the conclusion. Write the learning from the from the experiment which you have learned, right? So which you have performed basically in online. So these observation tables are extremely crucial. You learn a lot of things from it. Okay, so I think that's it from my side. This is the information which I can provide for lab number 3. So thank you.